Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I'm part of the engineering organization here at Optilogic. Today, I'm going to give you a short tour of Atlas, show you how to run your first model within the current environment, as well as take advantage of our hyperscaling feature. Let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, here we are in Atlas. Let's first start on the welcome page. On the welcome page, you have all the tools you need to get started to either get up to speed or dig deeper using Atlas. There's both video content, as well as lots of article content if you'd rather read. Now let's go into the studio and get to work. We are now in Studio. On the left-hand side navigation, you'll notice four main sections. The File Explorer section, which is where all of your modeling content is. Search, which enables you to search both file names and within the content. Source Control, and Debugging. These last three, we have additional videos in the documentation that you can learn more there. For today, let's focus in on the File Explorer section. Here we have My Models, where we've put a few starter models to help you get going and where you'll put all of your data and your models moving forward. We also have the Sent to Me section. This is where the collaboration really happens, where other users can share models with you here. Lastly, we have the Model Library. Here is where you'll find over 120 different mixed integer linear programming, simulation, and machine learning models, as well as a host of handy utilities. We'll take a look at the different mixed integer programming models here, some simulation, just to show you what's some examples there. Let's go ahead and open up one of these models. Each one of these models comes with some example data, some example code, as well as a PDF documentation. The documentation covers the problem description, the mathematical formulation, as well as some code to help you get started. Let's go ahead and jump into that code. Here, in the code, you'll notice we're using Python to pull in data and create a formulation. This becomes your Python code, which you can then tailor and make your own. Anything you can do in Python, you can do here. Let's go ahead and run this in Studio. When I click this, this is running the model in my current environment, and you can see my results down here in the tabs below. I can also run this as a job, where I can choose the different configuration of my resource size, including different CPU configurations as well as RAM configurations. Let's go ahead and run this as a medium. When I click this, it kicks off a run, and what this is doing is spinning up a parallelized machine in the cloud for you to run with different size configurations of your choosing for access to real power. You can view your runs in the jobs dashboard. I'll go ahead and click that now. And go out to the tab that it opened for me. And as this is running, you can see here of the configuration I chose and then the results. I can click here for additional information on my log files and then take a look at the results and see that it was successful. And that's an introduction to Atlas and how to hyperscale your optimizations. Hopefully this video helps enable you to successfully get to work in Atlas. Check out more helpful content on the product documentation page. Thanks, and good luck getting your first model running.